Okay, so I probably won't need the torch. Well, I will put the torch on here, but isn't that a lovely evening tonight? Really nice. Having a spell of sunny weather at the minute, as I'm sure most folk are. So next sensor is the oil sensor. You often get fault codes with them, and there we have it there. Basically, you see the wire going in. Basically that sticks up into your sump, which is this bit here. So that's where you drain oil from, oil change. That goes up into your sump, and I think on a computer it says quality. Whether that can tell quality or not, I don't know, but it certainly tells you quantity. So it can tell you if you're low and that kind of thing. So that's oil level sensor. I'm just trying to see if there's any more sensors under here I can show you at the same time. I'll stop that one and show you something else.